Your skin is being stripped away every single morning, and you don't even know it's happening. If your skin feels tight after showering, if you're dealing with constant itching, if you wake up scratching at night, your daily shower is the problem. I know this sounds crazy. You've been showering every day for 50 years. It's part of being clean, right? Wrong. The American Academy of Dermatology now says that older adults should shower 2 to 3 times per week, not every single day. And I'm going to show you exactly why this matters after 55, the 3 rules dermatologists actually recommend, and how to stay fresh without destroying your skin barrier. Because here's the truth, your body changed, but your routine didn't. Let me explain something most doctors don't take the time to explain. How your skin actually protects itself. Think of your skin like a brick wall. The bricks are your skin cells. The mortar holding them together, that's oil, natural lipids produced by your skin. This is called the lipid barrier, and it's your body's first line of defense against infection, irritation, and moisture loss. Every time you shower with hot water and soap, you're dissolving that mortar. When you were 20, your body replaced those oils almost instantly. Your skin could handle daily showers because it regenerated fast enough to keep up. But after 55, research shows it takes your body 1.5 times longer to repair that barrier. What used to take 40 days now takes 60 days or more. And here's what really matters. Aged skin produces up to 65% less lipid content than young skin. So you're stripping away oils faster than your body can replace them. That's why your skin feels tight. That's why you're itching. That's why you're reaching for lotion multiple times a day. Your skin isn't broken. It's just exhausted from fighting a battle it can't win. Now I know what you're thinking, but I feel dirty if I don't shower every day. I get it. This goes against everything we've been taught our whole lives. But cleanliness and skin health are not the same thing. And dermatologists across the United States and Europe are now saying the same thing. Daily full-body showers are unnecessary for older adults and may even accelerate skin problems. So let me give you the 3 rules that will keep you clean, comfortable, and protect your skin barrier.
Rule number 1, the frequency rule. Shower 2 to 3 times per week for full body washing. Not every other day, not once a week, 2 to 3 times. This is supported by clinical guidance from dermatology experts in both the US and Europe. On the days you don't shower, you'll do targeted washing. I'll explain exactly how in rule number 3. But here's the thing most people miss. Showering less often doesn't mean you'll smell. Your body actually adapts. When you stop stripping away all your natural oils daily, your skin stops overproducing oil to compensate. Within 2 weeks, most people notice their skin feels better and they don't feel any less clean. But changing your schedule won't matter if you make the dangerous mistake I'm going to show you in rule number 3. Rule number 2, the temperature trap. Stop using hot water. I know, a hot shower feels amazing, especially in the morning. But hot water is the fastest way to strip your lipid barrier. Here's what dermatologists recommend. Lukewarm water. Water that you don't even feel the temperature of. If your skin turns pink or red during the shower, the water is too hot. And keep it short. The American Academy of Dermatology suggests 5 to 10 minutes maximum for older adults. Every extra minute under that water is pulling more protective oils off your skin. Think of it like this. Would you wash your car with scalding hot water and harsh detergent every single day? No, because you'd strip the protective coating. Your skin is the same way. Lukewarm water, short showers. That's rule number 2. Okay, pause. If you're still watching, comment skin below. I want to know who's serious about this. Because rule number 3 is where most people screw this completely up, and it's the difference between dry, itchy skin and skin that actually feels comfortable again. Rule number 3, the vital zones only. Here's the rule that changes everything. You don't need to soap your entire body. In fact, you shouldn't. On full shower days, only use soap on what I call the vital zones: armpits, groin, feet. These are the areas that produce odor. These are the areas that need cleansing. Your arms, your legs, your torso, water is enough. Just rinse them. That's it. And here's the mistake I see constantly. People think if they're showering less, they need to use more soap. Wrong. That makes it worse. More soap means more stripping. More stripping means more dryness. More dryness means more itching. Use gentle, fragrance-free cleansers and only on the vital zones. On the days between showers, use a warm washcloth to wipe down those same areas: armpits, groin, feet. You stay fresh, your skin barrier stays intact. This is called targeted hygiene, and it's what dermatology research now supports for older adults. Now let me tell you what makes all of this worse. 3 things that are quietly destroying your skin barrier. Number 1, harsh soaps and body washes. If your soap is marketed as antibacterial or deep cleansing, it's stripping your skin. You need gentle, moisturizing cleansers. Look for words like hydrating or for sensitive skin. Number 2, scrubbing with loofahs or rough washcloths. Every time you scrub, you're physically removing that protective layer. Use your hands or a soft cloth. No scrubbing. Number 3, not moisturizing immediately after showering. This is critical. You have about 3 minutes after you get out of the shower to lock in moisture. Pat your skin dry, don't rub, and apply a thick moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp. This seals in the water and gives your lipid barrier time to repair. If you skip this step, you've wasted the entire shower. So, here's what I want you to remember. Your skin isn't broken. It's just exhausted from habits that worked when you were younger but don't work anymore. Shower 2 to 3 times per week, use lukewarm water, soap only the vital zones, and on the days between showers, use a warm washcloth to keep those areas fresh. This is about not being dirty. It's about understanding what your skin actually needs after 55. Within 2 weeks, most people notice their itching decreases. Within a month, skin texture improves. Sleep becomes less disrupted by discomfort. These aren't dramatic transformations, but they add up to a meaningful improvement in daily quality of life. Now, your skin is just a reflection of what's happening inside your body. If your liver isn't processing nutrients properly, your skin suffers too. I made a video on 6 foods that support your liver after 55, and a healthy liver means healthier skin, better energy, and improved metabolism. Click here to watch it. Your body is still capable of healing, but you have to stop working against it. Now, go take a lukewarm shower and use soap only where you need it.